ananiwazia mema, Bwana wa Mungu ananiwazia mema. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for keeping up with me. So today I have a very interesting video. When I did that how to make puff puff recipe video, there's someone who wanted me to do how to make omena or daga. So today that is what we are going to make. First of all, you're gonna need the cook, which is my beautiful self. Anyway guys, let's get into business. So first of all, I have my already sorted omena over there, and then I have my onions. Normally I'd prefer using the red onions, but in my case where I am, it's not so easy to get the red onions, so I'll work with the white ones. Next I have my garlic, and then over here I have my tomatoes. Here I have my spices. In here I have curry powder. This is a little turmeric mixed with black pepper, and then I have some chili powder over here, then Royco cube, and then I have the bell peppers. You can use green, red, or yellow bell peppers, it's your choice, so you can even mix them. And then I have my vinegar over here. I use vinegar to wash the omena. It removes the smell that comes with the omena. You know, there's some people who do not eat omena because of the smell. Let me know in the comment section below why you don't eat omena, because I understand not everyone loves omena. Over here I have my salt and then the cooking oil. So let the cooking begin. So first of all, I'm gonna use the hot water to wash the omena. Here is my hot water. I already boiled it. So I'll actually wash it twice, so I'll just wash it and get back to you guys. This is my well cleaned omena. Looks so fresh. The next thing, put oil in your pan. Let it heat before you add the omena inside. Then add in your omena. So I'll just fry it until it turns into golden brown, and then I put it aside to make the sauce. It's almost golden brown. As you can see, the color has turned into golden brown, and it looks so crispy. So I'll just put it aside. The same pan, I'll go in with my onions, add a little oil. That you add in your garlic, well chopped garlic, or you can add garlic paste if you want to. And then you stir. Then you go in with tomatoes. Then you add your spices to the tomatoes and allow it to cook nicely. That my sauce is ready, I'm gonna go in with my omena. Yeah, smells so amazing. I can't wait to have this. And then you just give it a nice stir on a very low heat now, because everything is already cooked. So just give it a nice stir to incorporate the sauce and the omena. I'll go in with my bell peppers. Look at that. It will be more colorful if I had mixed the bell peppers green, red, and yellow. Ooh. And that's it, guys. That's it. Our daga is ready. You can serve with anything, but for me, it goes best with ugali. I see some people eat it with rice. So funny, can never be me. I like it with ugali. So let me know down below the comments what you will serve this with. Oh, it smells so nice. Wow. So guys, here is my food. It looks so yummy and smells so yummy. So I think I'll just end this video here because hata nimevumilia sana. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video and I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I did making it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, comment, share, like, and suggest any other video that would like me to do. Thank you.
Before I go, guys, let's take a bite together because we cooked together. So yummy.